Hello everyone, welcome back to M&M Tours channel. Hidden in the heart of Esfahan, just a short walk from Naqsh-e Jahan Square, lies a narrow, uneven alley that leads to one of the city's most magnificent architectural treasures, Joorjir Portal. This portal is a gateway to history, artistry, and perhaps even a message of unity. Built over 1,000 years ago by Sahib Ismail, a renowned minister of the Buyid dynasty, it once belonged to a mosque that stood proudly before being destroyed during the Mongol invasion. While the mosque was lost, this portal survived like a hidden jewel. In the Safavid era, centuries later, Hakim Mosque was constructed on the same site by Hakim Muhammad Dawood, a physician to Shah Abbas II. Joorjir Portal became its entrance, preserving a link to the past. Joorjir Portal is a masterpiece of Raazi architecture, a style that originated in Ray. Its intricate brickwork seamlessly combines structural strength with stunning decoration. Look at this large 11-petal arch. Its design is so distinctive that it has become the hallmark of the portal. But what makes this portal truly fascinating is its symbolism. Among the designs are motifs resembling Pahlavi and Hebrew scripts, alongside traditional Islamic and Zoroastrian symbols. This fusion of cultural and religious elements suggests that Joorjir Portal was more than just an entrance to a mosque. Historians believe it may have served as a house of religions, symbolizing peace and coexistence among Esfahan's Muslim, Jewish, Christian, and Zoroastrian communities. Now let's step into Hakim Mosque itself. Unlike many other mosques of its time, this one doesn't have towering minarets or a prominent dome. Instead, it impresses with its sprawling 8,000 square meter layout, stunning four-porch design, and intricate brick and tile work. Hakim Mosque is one of the last great architectural feats of the Safavid era. Its craftsmanship, especially the Banai script, a type of brickwork used for decorative inscriptions, is truly remarkable.
Joorjir Portal and Hakim Mosque stand as timeless testaments to Esfahan's rich history and cultural harmony. Whether as a gateway to a mosque or a house of religions, this portal invites us to reflect on the beauty of unity and the power of art in bridging differences.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to M&M Tours for more stories from the heart of Iran. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history and artistry. See you in the next adventure.